Greetings, you must be here to improve your English. Wise choice indeed. But tell me, when someone asks, "How are you?" do you instinctively reply, "I'm fine"? That is frightfully dull, wouldn't you agree? A response as dry as yesterday's biscuits. Let's explore far more refined, expressive and engaging ways to respond, shall we? In informal settings, or when you're with friends, responding with "I'm fine" can make you sound rather robotic. Instead, try these. Pretty good. For when you're feeling pleasant but not overly excited. Not bad. A neutral, effortless response. Can't complain. A relaxed way to say you're doing well. Same old, if nothing particularly eventful has happened. For instance, if someone asks, "How's life?" you might say, same old, nothing too crazy." See? It's natural, engaging and effortless. Much better than a dreary "I'm fine," wouldn't you say? If you're feeling particularly splendid, why not let it show? Language is, after all, a reflection of our spirit. And doing brilliantly. Thanks for asking. Never better, for when life is treating you exceptionally well. And fantastic, how about yourself? A touch of warmth invites conversation. A little energy goes a long way. If you're feeling especially chatty, add why you're great. Imagine someone asks, "How are you?" You smile and say, "I'm fantastic. Just finished a great book." Now that is how you make conversations sparkle. Life isn't always sunshine and rainbows. If you're not feeling great but don't want to overshare, try these. "I've been better, but I appreciate you asking." Not the best day, but I'm managing. Just taking things one step at a time. Someone asks, "How are you?" You take a breath and say, "Honestly, I've had better days, but I'm hanging in there." And if you do want to talk about it, you can add, "I could use a good chat. Do you have a moment?" Sometimes a little charm, wit, or mischief makes for a delightful response. Try these. "Oh, just living the dream." "Better than I deserve." A humorous way to sound modest. "Surviving, but only just." Dramatic but playful. Someone asks, "How are you?" You grin and say, "Oh, just living the dream," if that dream involves caffeine and deadlines. A touch of wit never goes amiss, particularly among friends. And there you have it. No more dull "I'm fines." Your conversations shall now sparkle with variety and charm. Remember, language is a splendid tool. Why settle for the ordinary when you can be expressive, engaging, and memorable? Now go forth. Practice these responses, and the next time someone asks, "How are you?" surprise them with something delightful. Until next time, stay curious, stay eloquent.